Lock up your cupcakes, the snack man is coming. For limited edition, white fudge ding dongs. Ding dong, ding dong. Let's give it a try. Part of the limited edition spring lineup. We already tried the donuts. Now we got a white fudge ding dong. Let's test it out. White chocolate fudge with some springtime sprinkles. I'm not getting a lot of white fudge. I guess it's the frosting. It's just so sugary. All I'm really getting is sugar. Good Lord, dude. God, if you have diabetes, this will just fucking kill you. All right. With this, I give this a 6.0 out of 10. It's okay. Snack Man out.